Right, in this video today we're going to look at how tectonic hazards, so earthquakes, volcanoes, how the risk of those hazards, how can they be reduced within a population. There's 3 methods that you need to be aware of. Here we go. So the first one is monitoring and predicting, especially when it comes to volcanic eruptions. So finding ways to detect signs that would indicate a volcanic eruption is about to happen. For example, we can use seismographs to detect any earth tremors, earthquakes around the volcano, using instruments to detect changes in gas and water chemistry, using tilt meters to see for changes in ground deformation. And we can also use historical data of past eruptions that would help us to give us an indication of when the next eruption is about to take place. We also have number 2, protection. So protection can be linked to building design. So especially when it comes to earthquakes, when we build our buildings, there's things we can do to the buildings to make them more resilient to an earthquake. For example, making sure the building's got deep foundations, ensuring there's a cross bracing running through the building to give it more stability, having shock absorbers throughout the building and within the foundations to absorb the energy of an earthquake. I have made a separate video about that, so do check that out if you want further details. And the last one is planning. So this is having a focus on avoiding places to live, to build settlements that would be most at risk if there was a tectonic hazard. So it's having that forward thinking, a forward plan about which areas to keep people away from to reduce the impact in case a hazard did happen. So in summary, how do we reduce the risks of tectonic hazards? 3 methods: monitoring and prediction, protection and planning. Hope that helps.